morning. Good morning from the airport. Wait, what's that announcement? Oh, not us. Not us. We are in the airport for breakfast. We will go to Lombok today. I'm super excited. Finally, I've got holidays. First of all, we will have a breakfast, and Damian later on will show you around the domestic airport.
And we're gonna fly today by this small wee 80 airplane. What's happened just a second ago? Tell me.
Okay, so actually the flight to Lombok, there are two. The first one is IW554, but I just checked our ticket. This is 50, so we still have 1 hour. I just in rush.
You asked already my coffee to put in the cup. It was beautiful mug. So funny. This is traveling with Sayang, right?
Oh my god, always like this.
Anyway, this is the little bit airport situation, domestic departures. Actually seems very quiet. I think more people coming to Bali than leaving Bali at the moment. There is also so many new shops and the new restaurants. Okay, Starbucks is always there, but there will be Hard Rock, Pizza Hut, some wine shop, if you're interested, chocolate. Warung Smade always was here, actually the same like in Legian Seminiak. There's definitely much more options for the food and shopping in the airport right now than I fly last time to Jakarta, guys. And also, of course, domestic terminal is definitely much more busier than the international. There are so many local short hauls flights around. Boarding time, this is where we are going, Lombok. We are going to Lombok and we are traveling together. Finally, your wish come true, guys. Sayang, you flying first time?
This is my first flight after 2 years.
Oh my god, I had just 6 flights last month and this is first flight. Anyway, so happy to go somewhere and I'm gonna show you the cool plane. RTR, this is French-made plane. It's looking super cool. Just have to make a quick inspection, you know, guys. Last time I fly the plane like this, it was from Liverpool to Belfast, I think, by Flybe, which is airline is already gone. But this is very nice plane. Very comfortable, by the way. Only for the short hauls. So cool. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. All right, we are on board. This is the ATR 72-500 and 78-seat option. Unfortunately, this is the maximum what they can fit, but this is Lion, so this is what you expect. Aircon doesn't work, so it is already melting. So yeah, it's nice. So as is 78 option, not 68, it's a little bit small, but yeah, it's full house anyway, so that's been many people flying around. And behind also, yeah, like this. Sayang, are you alright? You scared? Alright. And I have a seat just next to behind the engine where is exhaust. Also, we fly the Wings Air by Lion Group because there is no other flights at the moment. No Garuda, no AirAsia, no nothing else. Only this one, except you can fly, go by boat. But we probably gonna come back from Gili to Padang Bay by boat, probably. Alright, then just landed to Lombok.
Welcome to Lombok.
Actually, that was even comfortable flight, yeah? Very smooth, very
smooth. And then this is just like my warming up flight.
Yeah, you have to warming up before we're gonna go somewhere abroad. You have to warming up. Already was very interesting at the morning in the airport, and he was like panic. My flight is already gone. Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna explore Lombok right now. It's so nice, and it's so hot, by the way. It's very hot in Lombok. Meanwhile, little situation in the airport. This is brand new airline. I don't know, and there is the Mount Rinjani in Lombok.
So we are in Lombok because last time it was the MotoGP, and I think this is the best photo spot whenever you arrive in Lombok. See?
That's for sure.
People just arrive and then they take a picture.
You wanna have a picture,
take one.
Okay, let's go. Welcome to Lombok, guys. Another adventure. Short, but another. My son was that excited to flying this propeller plane as we already booked the return ticket over the speedboat.
Well, I checked last time the price of the speedboat speedboat from Gili Trawangan back to Bali is about 650, and I just checked the flight ticket on the 20 minutes. It just costs you around 550 per person, and with the aircon, comfy. So
this aircon doesn't work only when these engines are off, but after that it's working, so it's no problem.
And faster also by plane, right?
Yeah, much more easier. Highly recommended anyway. Okay, I think we have to grab the taxi and we're gonna go to Kuta, but Kuta in Lombok, not Kuta in Bali. This is the departure, and we just got the Grab car for 99,000 going to Lombok. There is even office next to KFC. So it's totally legit, and there is no people who asking you for the taxi anymore, yeah?
No, just easy. Basically, if you want to go to Kuta Lombok, you can go by bus, maybe around 40k, but you need to wait until the bus is full. But I just decided to go by Grab. It's just only like 99k, so yeah.
So cool, okay, let's go. Alright, so we just arrived to Lombok. We're staying in Sima Hotel in Kuta. The room what you see right now on the screen, it's cost us $50 per night. And tomorrow we're moving to different location. However, I think it's very affordable place here. Also is the holidays right now in Indonesia. So everything is slightly different, little bit more expensive and little bit more difficult because of they have a holidays here. So I think it's pretty alright. Do you like the room?
Yeah, and also this hotel is in the city center, so nearby the restaurant, cafes. So
we're gonna have a lunch soon.
We're gonna have a lunch, so we didn't choose the beachfront hotel. Well, actually, we plan to stay in a hotel in the Mandalika, right? But the price is crazy expensive.
It's twice more expensive than hotels in Singapore in Novotel right now.
Maybe because of the Lebaran holidays.
And also MotoGP track, maybe many people coming there. Anyway, this hotel is pretty nice.
It's so hot in Kuta Lombok, so I just asking, can I just borrow the umbrella because I'm made of sugar? Maybe later on I will be melted.
And it looks funny with that. But to be honest, the guy was, what's going on? It's so hot, so sunny. It's so cool. Anyway, this is the streets of the Kuta Lombok Central. We're gonna find some lunch here. Also because it's the holidays here. Thank you so much.
Right?
So nice. But I just wanted to mention, because of the holidays of Lebaran, there will be no street food during the daytime, guys. So you have to remember, was some guy waving to me. The guy said that the Lombok is a little bit quiet right now. Let's see, the hut restaurant. This is the main street in the Kuta Lombok. So when I was last time, I think I was in October or September 2020, was busier. But I wasn't also during the holidays. So
guys, as you see around, there are not much restaurant open. So yeah, let's see. We look for lunch today. I'm already hungry. Some
tourists driving in the car. Let's see what we can find out here. We found one open restaurant here called El Bazaar. Looking nice, and it's open. We're gonna get inside. Let's see. Meanwhile, there's some foreigner tourists around, and the rest of the. You look so funny with this.
Yeah, I'm made of sugar.
That was the really cool looking restaurant, and seems probably was very cool. Unfortunately, it seems like they don't selling food.
The food is sold out.
Sold out of not available. Anyway, looks little bit. The first my impression is it's a little bit deserted here, and I'm not sure is it that quiet just because there are no tourists, or is it like, I don't know. It's a little bit strange feeling. However, seems like everything is closed here actually. Check this out. Some local people here. Lady, guy, I think his motorbike broken. Some tourist ladies here, no helmets, no problem. It seems like everything is closed.
Yeah, I think that we came in the wrong time.
Little bit.
Oh my God.
At least the fresh market is open. Alright guys, currently situation in Lombok looks like this, as there is no food options at all. The only place is the shop, which is like Pepito, something like that, in Lombok. And we buy, this is what left. So I have for lunch today 2 cakes, tiramisu and red black forest. And Winnie, if she lucky, wanna have rice, teriyaki chicken, something like that. Currently enjoying her drink. And all of the people who are living here, seems like they're coming here for buying that whatever left. If not, they're buying the bottle of vodka and out. So at least they will enjoy their time. Honey.
Survival food. Even the instant noodle is already sold out. So only this one. I'm so lucky.
Make a makan cantik, make a makan cantik. Alright guys, we arrived to the Bukit Seger or something like that. Basically between Novotel Hotel and there's like a little bukit overlooking the Circuit Mandalika. So we wanna have a look and having a beautiful shots. Meanwhile, we are walking also on very
on a
interesting
bamboo bridge. And so people said that the best spot to watch the Circuit Mandalika is by hiking the Bukit, in the Bukit Seger, because that's the best spot. So we will go up there, and I think that Damian will fly drone. So the price is about 5K entrance.
But so many stairs. Okay, wasn't that easy how it looked like? But we arrived, and this is like a bukit, so simply the circuit and the one of the very sharp corner is just behind us. And it's actually a beautiful panorama around. So here, people probably, if they didn't want to buy the ticket and still want to watch the circuit, you could come here and enjoy, because the circuit is actually very, very close. Yes, Sayang? What do you think? Alright, it's a few hours later. It's already not that hot, so we don't have to have an umbrella with us. However, we're going to the beach, in Kuta beach, but in Lombok, not in Bali. And meanwhile, that's the situation around. Not much is happening, actually, I could say. Really not much is happening.
So many, warungs, restaurants still closed, and I don't know.
Oh anyway, we're gonna make some video today, guys. Don't you worry, as always, you know us. Some little local vibes in Lombok. You can buy the petrol in this bottle or having a laundry. Here seems like long time ago I could have a wood-fired pizza, but that was long time ago, definitely long time ago. And well, in general, I thought the Bali is quiet, but little body crossing the street, warung seafood, but no seafood on it, but the little body, Another place, more touristy one, however you call this. No matter where, it looks pretty the same. That was the barbecue place. Honey, there behind you is the mushroom espresso. You like the bike?
Nice, so cute.
This pharmacy open 24 hours. It was also was open 24 hours long time ago. Actually, quite many abandoned buildings here around. And we are just going to the Kuta beach. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we arrived to the world famous Kuta Mandalika beach in Lombok.
A walk around here and look at surround. I think that this Kuta Mandalika, the vibe is quite the same like Sanur Beach, right? You see that people there chilling by the beach, and also I think the tide is not that very high. So yeah, let's see. Some people there just enjoying having a picnic by the beach. Maybe because of the Lebaran holidays, all the people you know, from Lombok, they just coming here, just having a gathering with their family, and yeah, just like this.
So in general, the little bit of the action, what is going on here is actually here, I mean Kuta Mandalika, but it still seems quiet to me, little bit, but yeah, there are at least some people around, that's for sure. And little bit of the beach situation, little bit like a mix between Uluwatu and Sanur. I could say, but definitely with the very low tide. If you're interested, the sun is exactly like in Sanur, but with the difference as Uluwatu sunset. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So many local people here enjoying their time, making pictures. And it's actually quite hard to get anything in Lombok right now. It's hard to get a hotel, hard to get a bike, not mention about the car, hard to get a Grab. I mean, it's so many people having a holiday and so many people came here, so it's like very high demand, very low.
And then I think that in Kuta Mandalika, in this area, Grab or Gojek is not allowed. And yeah, so many you know, like local taxi that offer you, but whenever we walk, nobody asks us taxi or even like motorbike rent. So it seems like all the business transport still closed.
Actually, only new attraction here is this Raja Hotel, Raja Mandalika. Yeah, but very like, yeah, better showing this one, actually more interesting, some local vibe. Some seller, some little girl pressing the coconut, selling sausage, something. There is so many leftover constructions around. I think there was so many people trying to build something with the hope of the Mandalika circuit, MotoGP, and suddenly it seems like, well, it's very busy for a few days for the weekend when it's the race, but after that, everything looks like this, guys. Not so busy, I could say. All right, we are cruising by the beach. Actually, the beach is on the other side where I'm facing the camera, and there is so many like local restaurants and the homestays everywhere around. In case if you're interested to stay in the summer in the homestay here, local vibes in Lombok, I think this is the area for you guys. There are rooms available. So I think it's no shortage of the accommodations, at least in the homestays. But I don't know actually if it's open. Seems like it's closed. Hey, do you think it's open? No, I don't think so actually. Yeah, that's why it's so hard to buy actually a room, because there is many of them, they are closed. There is the piece of land for lease, just ocean front in case if you're interested, and there is surfers bar with some surfers around.
So yeah, walking by this path and then, you know, listening the reggae bar behind me. So I think that this is like the vibe in Kuta Beach, Bali, 1990s.
1970s more likely.
Maybe.
80s, 70s, maybe early 90s, yeah. Basically, we are trying to get away home, but the alternative way to the we work. So here is like a little promenade with the local vibe in here. And here we go.
Okay guys, so I think that this one is the fisherman village because of, you know, surround we can see that fisherman boats and a small hut. So yeah, this is it.
This is how it is. Local vibing. Yeah, there were some bars long time ago, I bet. And this is some harbor situation in Kuta Lombok. Wreck of the ship here suddenly, and yeah, that's how it looks like in general. Just little bit housing situation. Some people must living here actually.
I think that this is the fisherman house.
Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, indeed, some other fishing houses. Probably at morning might be a little bit busier, similar like in Jimbaran. However, in Jimbaran it will be busy at that time. Some local foreigners here. Some locals here, little warung.
Okay, so yeah, this is how it is. The locals housing complex in the Kuta Lombok area, especially close by
Beach, Kuta Mandalika beach.
Right.
Not so far from the circuit. That's what probably you not see on the sponsored posters about the circuit, right? And this is like a little bit more deep inside, so many housing complex. Yeah, that's how it is in Kuta Lombok. Basically over there is just the beach, but there's so many empty land, close like literally 50 meters from the beach. This one, there used to be some sort of warungs or something like that, but all is actually gone. Some diving company, but also think is gone, bankruptcy, not sure, maybe no, it doesn't really matter actually, but everywhere there are housing complex looking like this. Even if we compare this to the Vietnam, is definitely different. Different vibe and different situation. That's for sure. And this is actually main street, main junction in Kuta actually, where are so many restaurants. And another little bit of the look of the house deep inside. And the kids, hello. And another empty land and some cafe. Yeah, a lot of contrasts here, that's for sure. So basically everything what you saw in the last minutes is just over there, like not even 500 meters, and this is the tourist center right now. The tourist area where supposed to be so many fancy restaurants. However, they for sure used to be, but yeah, it seems like not today guys. There is some one or two restaurants, bars where some expats seems like cruising around, spending some time, but in general, Kuta in Lombok is very tourist place. It's equivalent of nearly Kuta in Bali. Alright, and we went to the bar, nice looking restaurant where probably all of the expats of Kuta in Lombok are here. There are also some local girls here at the show, and my sayang obviously, and they are all the people chilling here around, and also local people here. Very like, I don't know, Canggu vibe, something like that. Maybe Kuta 30 years ago.
No, I think that this is the busiest restaurant in Kuta Lombok area. You see, most full. Cheers.
Meanwhile, more and more people coming everywhere around, actually trying to get out from this restaurant because at night get busy. They have the nice burger, that's really. But after that, except this place and this place and this bus who come from nowhere, not that much is happening actually, guys.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Lombok for the day one. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow with another episode with the Lombok. Bye.